Hi folks, welcome back. Now, just a wee quick update. New gas bottle for the welder. So I picked that up last week. Sorry I not made you another video, but I went to do one last week and my battery died. Couldn't find the charger, so there was a load of things went on. As you can see, I've got the rubbers out for the doors. I've been out today and put the new rubbers on the doors. I've just got the seams to glue together at the bottom. Once they're all glued up, they should be quite good. Also had another setback last week when we went to start the van. And the battery died, so we had to go and buy a new battery. That was that. So yeah, onwards and upwards, but what a mission they are to fit these rubbers. So just leave them to settle in. As I say, they get glued together at the corners, but I'll let them settle first, make sure that they're going to settle in. They seem to be nice and tight. There's no daylight around the doors anymore. Keeps the door nice and tight. Yeah, so that's that wee mission. Just lock her up. Ooh. And as you can see, bumpers are back and back on. I'm just waiting on the little foot plates. You've still got 4 of the brackets. That's the back ones back again. Back on. So they look well. Let's see how long they stay looking well. Anyway, as you see, the ones are back on. I've got to make a spacer for the brackets for the awning. And I can get the awning on. The awning is now in the garage, all opened up. That's the motor kit. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. This is another little project. Oh, I'm in 2 minds what to do with this, whether to hot it up or not. Anyway, we'll see. Quite a funky little thing. So, but yeah, that's the rest of the rubbers. I'll let that one settle in, as I say. Then I'll do the side door one. That's going to be an absolute nightmare to do, because obviously you can't get to the other side of the door. So and a little new sticker on the van. Unfortunately a big bus wanker. Anyway, that's about it for now folks. It's freezing out here. It looks nice, but it's actually freezing. So anyway, she's getting there, slowly but surely he's getting there. Just got to clean up the garage and then I can get the wheels. I want to get the wheels done and then get this bumper, this grill off, and get that repainted. So anyway, that's all for now. Catch you all later. Take care out there, people. Oh, that was the other one. I had to get a 90-degree adapter because I want to use old regulator. It just saves me messing about. I know how to set that line up, so It's quite worth it where I'm putting it now. Anyway, that's it. Something no right with the battery in this. I'm down to 1% again. Anyway, as you can see, my garage is in a bit of a state at the moment, so there's the old battery. So we'll be having a bit of, that was the battery, it was an Arnie. So I say he's charging, he seems to be holding a 12.5, so I don't know, maybe just need a right good charge. I don't know, but I'll see how it goes. I'll keep an eye on it over the week and keep checking the voltage on it and see how much it drops. Anyway, ta-ta for now, ta-ra.